Welcome back to the channel, Animasi Sahabat.
There is a group that only eats plants. They are called herbivores, not only elephants and giraffes. It turns out there are many other animals that are included in this group. Zebras are herbivores that live in the African savanna. They eat grass and sometimes shrub leaves. Their black and white striped pattern makes them easy to recognize. Zebra is an animal from Africa, which is known for its black and white striped body. There are 3 species that still exist today. Zebras, like horses and donkeys, are members of the genus Equus. They are the only surviving members of the family Equidae. Each individual zebra has a distinctive striped pattern. Several theories exist regarding the function of these stripes, with the most widely supported theory being that they provide protection from biting flies. Zebras inhabit eastern and southern Africa and can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, grasslands, woodlands, scrublands, and mountainous regions. Zebras are grazers that survive on low-quality plants. They are prey for lions and typically flee when threatened. Zebra species differ in their social behavior. Plains and mountain zebras live in stable harems consisting of a male, several females, and their offspring, while gravy zebras live alone or in loosely bonded herds. In species with harems, adult females mate only with males from their own harem. Male gravy zebras, on the other hand, establish territories to attract females, and the species is also promiscuous. Zebras communicate with a variety of sounds, body postures, and facial expressions. Social grooming strengthens bonds between individuals in both plains and mountain zebras. Zebras make them the most easily recognized animals. Zebras have never been domesticated. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, classifies gravy zebras as endangered, mountain zebras as vulnerable, and plain zebras as near threatened. One type of plain zebra, the quagga, became extinct in the 19th century. However, zebras can still be found in protected areas. Zebras can wander or migrate to areas with more water. Plain zebras have been recorded as migrating 500 km between Namibia and Botswana, the longest land migration of any mammal in Africa. When migrating, zebras seem to rely on their memory for the best grazing areas and can also predict conditions months after arrival. Plain zebras are more dependent on water and live in more temperate habitats. They rarely travel more than 10-12 km from a water source. Gravy zebras can survive for 2 to 5 days without drinking, but will drink daily if water is plentiful. Mountain zebras can be found at altitudes up to 2,000, and zebras can spend up to 7 hours a day sleeping. During the day, they sleep standing up, while at night they sleep lying down. They often rub their bodies against trees, rocks, and other objects, and they also roll in the dust to protect their skin from flies and irritants. Zebras primarily feed on grass and sedges, but they can also consume tree trunks, leaves, shoots, fruits, and roots if their preferred foods are hard to find. Compared to other herbivores, they can survive by consuming low-quality plants. Zebras can spend 60–80% of their time feeding depending on the availability and quality of plants. The zebra's main predators are lions, leopards, cheetahs, hyenas, and Nile crocodiles. They can also hunt zebras near water. When threatened by a lion, zebras will run away, and if caught, they are unable to defeat the animal. The zebra's running speed can reach 68.4 km/h compared to the lion's running speed, which reaches 57.6 km/h, but the zebra's maximum acceleration is only 18 km/h, while the lion's running acceleration can reach 34.2 km/h. In plains and mountain zebra species, adult females mate only with males within a harem. Gravy zebras, on the other hand, mate frequently, and males have larger testicles for sperm competition. The estrus phase in female zebras lasts 5 to 10 days. The female will induce mating by moving backward. The length of gestation depends on the species. It is estimated to last between 11 to 13 months, and most females enter estrus again within a few days of giving birth. Typically, a female gives birth to a calf that can run within hours of birth. The newborn zebra will follow anything that moves, so the mother will not allow other females to approach the calf until it has imprinted itself with her stripes, scent, and vocalizations. Within a few weeks, the calf will begin grazing, but may continue to nurse for 8 to 13 months. On the other hand, male plain zebras generally dislike zebra foals that are not their offspring and may kill them or even abort the fetus of a pregnant female using violence. Graceful animals of the savanna. Deer eat a variety of plants such as grass, leaves, and fruit. They are very wary of predators like tigers and wolves. African gazelles are not only fascinating for their slender physique and unique antlers, but also for their vital role in the African ecosystem. Although the term gazelle is often used generically, most of the animals we call African gazelles are actually members of the antelope family, which share similarities with gazelles but are distinct species. Popular types of African deer: 1. Impala herbivorous melampus. Size approximately 90 centimeter tall, weighing 40-75 kilo. Distinguishing features: curved, lyre-like antlers in males, slender body habitat, grasslands and scrublands of eastern and southern Africa. Fun fact: known as an excellent jumper, it can jump up to 3 meters high and 10 meters long. 2. Greater kudu, Trigelaphus strepsicuros size, one of the largest antelopes, reaching a shoulder height of 160 centimeters. Distinguishing features: long, spiral horns in males, vertical white stripes on the body. Habitat: open woodlands and dry scrublands in eastern and southern Africa. Fun fact: greater kudu are very quiet and adept at hiding from predators. First gazelle, e.g. Thompson's gazelle, Eudorcus thomsoni. Size: smaller than impala, around 60-90 cm tall. Distinguishing features: black stripes on the sides of the body, agile and fast. Habitat: open savannas in eastern Africa. Fun fact: can run up to 80 km to escape predators. Habitat and ecosystem: African gazelles live in a variety of habitats, including open savanna, dry forests, rocky mountains, shrublands as herbivores. African gazelles feed on grass, leaves, fruit, and young twigs. They play a vital role in the food chain and disperse plant seeds through their droppings. Natural threats and protection. Natural enemies of African gazelles include lions, leopards, African wild dogs, crocodiles. In addition, human activities such as poaching and habitat loss due to agriculture and urbanization also pose significant threats. Therefore, many species of African gazelles are now protected in national parks, such as Serengeti, Tanzania, Kruger, South Africa, Masai Mara, Kenya. Interesting facts: African gazelles do not branch like those in Europe or Asia, but are spiral or curved. Impalas can run fast and weave to avoid predators. Some African gazelles live in large herds of up to hundreds. Conclusion: the African gazelle is a symbol of Africa's natural beauty. With its elegant physique and remarkable survival skills, it is a vital part of the continent's wildlife. Conserving it not only saves the species, but also maintains the balance of Africa's ecosystem as a whole.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and goodbye. Bye-bye.